In this video, I'm going to try nail foils without glue with these She Modern water decals. Let's dive right in. Hey guys, it's Claris. Welcome back to my channel. So here are the nail foils that I have. I chose this flower design, and for the colors I picked silver and purple, and I think it has some holographic in it too. But before I open these up and get started on that, first we need to figure out what we're doing with my nails, right? Looking on their website for some inspiration, I saw the idea of using white or black French tips, and I think they look pretty cool, so I'm going to try that out. Okay, you never really know how things go when you're doing your nails, but this is my idea of what I'm kind of going for. So I'm just using the brush to try to make a French tip. I'm not using any nail vinyls this time. Usually I use my French tip nail vinyls, but I used a peel off base coat, so I'm going to try to get away with doing it this way. Boy, I haven't done French tips in a long time. I think my last French tip was like this rainbow one I did for a collab. And for this nail, I'm going to paint it black. Just plain black. I might add a flower on it, I'm not sure. For this nail, we're going to do a black French tip. Ooh, this looks kind of cool. What do you think about that, guys? And then finally, the pinky will have a black French tip too. So let's let these dry and then we can continue with the decal. Hey guys, I have a question for you. Have you ever used nail foils before, and where did you get them from? Share your answer below. Alrighty, so let's actually open this up. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that they sent me these too. Oh, that's so nice. It has snowmen and wreaths. Oh, that's really cute. I didn't know it was coming with this. And snowflakes too. Now I can do a Christmas mani with these. But we're just going to continue with the plan and use these ones here for today's mani. I think I want to do some of these like half flowers over here. Alright, so I think what I see them do is you like put it in the water like this. Ooh, it's curling up. Alright, I don't know how long that was, but let's see if this is dry. Ooh, it's very wet. Oh, look at that! It came off. Wow! I didn't cut off that purple line right there. I need to do that. There. So I would think what would be next is top coat, but let's wait until I do all mine before I top coat them. And pink. Come on, sink. And I'll put this one on the thumb. It's a pretty big one. Need to dip my nail into the water a bit here. Oh, see. So yeah, in order for it to lay flat, I'm finding I need to make a few cuts in the edges of the decal. This is so pretty, I love that purple. Alrighty, so I've done all the nails. Now I'm going to take my top coat and I'm going to top coat these. Let's see what they look like. Alrighty, so I really liked how these turned out. You can't see any of the transparent decal part. That's pretty much all disappeared. I like how you can move around the decals a little bit, at least before they dry, before you're happy where you put them. If you have any ideas on what I could do with these decals, then definitely let me know below. I hope you all enjoyed watching me have some fun with these. But in my next video, I'm going to try out gel polish with a lamp that I got and some Born Pretty gel polishes that they sent me. So make sure to hit that notification bell. I think it'll be really fun. The Christmas themed decals they came with. And here are the comment shoutouts for this video. Like this. And what is that little white thing right there? Get that out. But this is my idea of what I'm kind of going for. If any of you can even understand this. And here are the comment shoutouts for this video. Thank you so much everyone for your love and support. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it below. If you're new here and you'd like to keep in touch, feel free to subscribe down below and click the bell for notifications when I post every Wednesday and Saturday at 3 p.m. EST. Share this video with your friends and comment below your ideas on designs I could do with the Christmas themed decals they came with. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. You're really the best and have a magical day.